2.5-inch hose, standpipe operations. 2 engine firefighters assigned to fire attack will enter the stairwell with 3 50-foot sections of bundled 2.5-inch hose, 1 1/8 smoothbore nozzle, a set of irons, and a standpipe bag. Here, 2 firefighters will demonstrate 2.5-inch hose pack operations utilizing a standpipe. They ascend to the fire floor and place the hose packs down. Note, the first hose pack placed down will be the nozzle hose pack. It is placed so that the nozzle is on the outside wall. The other 2 hose packs will be placed next to it with the couplings facing the same direction. With the couplings and nozzle facing the fire, the next step is to remove the straps from the hose packs. Once all straps are removed from the hose packs, the firefighter on the nozzle will make the connections between the hose packs. Note, all the hose packs are placed outside of the fire floor and all couplings are facing towards the fire. When only one firefighter is responsible for making the connections, it frees up space for other firefighters to enter the fire floor and reduces confusion. When the hose packs are connected together, the firefighter on the nozzle will stretch the middle section of the first hose pack up the stairs to the floor above. This will allow the hose and the weight in the hose to easily deploy into the fire floor. When the nozzle firefighter returns to the fire floor, they'll notice the 50-foot coupling near the door. Next, the nozzle firefighter will take the middle section of the second hose pack and stretch it down the stairs. After the hose is flaked out against the outside wall to prevent kinks, the nozzle firefighter returns to the fire floor, secures the nozzle, and calls for water. Okay, what we have here is 150 feet of 2.5-inch supplied off the standpipe. We have an 1.8-inch tip connected to the 2.5. Captain Brum is going to be the attack firefighter. He's laid 25 feet up the stairs, 25 feet down the stairs. It puts his 50-foot coupling at the door. If you follow the rest of the hose, you're going to see that there's another 25 feet down, and it returns back up to this 100-foot coupling. The hose from this point goes down, and if you'll follow me to the standpipe, I'll show you how we get this hose in the stairwell. This is the supply hose. It's underneath Captain Brum's attack hose. We're following this line here. It goes underneath. It goes underneath the attack line again. The slack, depending on how much it is, can enter the floor below. This is the recon floor, so as far as you need to go to the floor, you can go. It's going to have the same configuration as the floor above. The standpipe is wide open. The gate is open. We should be pressurizing the appropriate pressure for the nozzle that we have, and we're flowing water at this point.